In this video we are going to teach you how to perform a parking brake cable replacement procedure on a 2012 Buick LaCrosse. Using the X-431 Throttle, first select Diagnose. Select GM. To confirm the software, select OK. Select Automatically Search. Confirm VAN and select Yes. Confirm the vehicle and select Yes. Select System Selection. Select PBCM. Select Actuation Test. Select Park Brake Cable Replacement Procedure. System info *, please read and follow instructions * and select OK. Select Start. Once complete, select the back button. And that's how to perform a parking brake cable replacement procedure on a 2012 Buick LaCrosse.